Today in this video we'll see how to create account on Thread app. This is amazing new update from Instagram account. You can easily create account on Thread app. First step is download Thread app from Play Store and just open Play Store and search. Here you can see easily find this app. Type here type Thread from Instagram. Just download this black Thread and Instagram app. Just open Instagram. Method how to create account on Thread app. Here you can see your Instagram username show here. Just click on and get ready for Thread and wait 2 seconds. Just follow some simple step. First step is show your Instagram name on Thread app and just add your bio information. I add some lines. You can easily use Thread as a Twitter. You can use easily post, retweet, share your post on Thread app. This is amazing and new update of this week and outclass update, and just click on next button. Here you can see your public profile. Just click on continue and then click on follow some account on Thread app. Just click on arrow icon, select your favorite. Here you can see this is the simple process how to create account on Thread. How threads work, read this instruction. This is powered by Instagram and Twitter, and just click on continue. And finally successfully your Thread account is almost ready to use, and then click on done. And let's see again. Here you can see this is interface method how to use Thread app. Like this is the Twitter like app, Thread app, and here you can see like, share and retweet your Instagram thread. Method how to post on Insta thread. Here you can see plus icon, and this is the simple process. Type your message, then click on post and refresh. This Instagram thread like Twitter, you can follow, like and share or retweet. If you like this video, share a video with a friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.